We're leaving Steepweiler for Zermatt.
You speak German, Deutsch, English? Yes. There's a bus for travel to Zermatt. Yes.
Thank you.
It's easy to find just on the outside of the station. Great, thank you then. You're welcome.
Not entirely sure where to go. Right now, the train line to Zermatt is under construction, so you have to hop on a bus. I think that's only going to last for the next month or so. Gotta go find it. Do you think it's one of these? Okay, that wasn't too bad. No signage, but there's somebody outside yelling to let you know where to go, and just huge buses. I didn't notice that. That's really cool. This is like the prettiest car ride ever. From Tosh, the terminal station, you have to catch a train because Zermatt is a pedestrian-only town, so you can't take a car up there. And if you are driving a car, you have to leave it here. Wow, look at the snow! Up there you can see a little bit of snow on the trees. This looks like the parking garage you would leave your car in. And this looks like where you pay to park your car. You ready? We're on the home stretch. We made it. We're here. This has been a big bucket list item for Alan for a long time. Our Airbnb is about a 10-minute walk from here. It looks like they have little taxis that you can catch if your accommodations are a little further. I was just telling Alan my concerns about walking down that road, and then I remembered there's no cars here. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. There's just a little bit of snow on the ground. So excited. We're supposed to get snow this week. This is our Airbnb for the week. It's a little like basement apartment in like a larger chalet type building that has multiple apartments. I don't know what you call them. I actually really like their decorations. Like the apartment feels old, but they've done it up nice. Kind of taking stock of what we have so we know if we need to buy anything. Ooh, these are fancy. Look at these things. Some Airbnbs really are bare bones and don't have a lot. Wow, look at all these. Unusual for an Airbnb. I'm surprised it is this nice for how cheap this place was.
This wasn't that cheap.
It wasn't that cheap, but for Switzerland, it was cheap. Fondue and raclette. There's a whole fondue set, a raclette oven. I mean, how Swiss can you get? We're gonna have to have fondue and raclette. Living area. I really like their posters and stuff. And this is the bedroom, like an old sliding barn door. It's kind of noisy.
Very rusty.
Rustic indeed.
Rusty.
Rusty, oh. And the bed. Bedroom is cozy. It's a little small, but I think it's gonna be just fine. I mean, what do you really use your bedroom for?
Sleeping.
Yeah, exactly. It's really cute. I like this place.
And it doesn't smell like cow.
Yeah, something they don't tell you about Switzerland is, obviously there are a lot of cows here, and they poop everywhere. and like the barns and trucks and stuff pile up their poop and like fling it literally everywhere so that they have fertilizer for the grass for the cows to eat. But it just makes everything kind of smell like cow poo, at least in like Interlaken area. Yeah.
Like really bad. It's like being on a farm.
Not all of it does, and it's like worse sometimes than others, but sometimes you walk by and you're like, whoo! Yeah, it's really cold, but it's so cute. I definitely think coming here for like Christmas would be like magical. Fondue cheese, which I'm not a huge fan of. I mean, you can get it if you wanted. It's kind of expensive. We could make our own. The store isn't very comprehensive, so we settled on doing fondue tonight. So we're making a very non-traditional cheese fondue with what we have available to us at the moment. I say non-traditional because I don't like the wine that they add to traditional Swiss fondue. I think it tastes, I don't know, not my thing. What do you think of my fondue, Alan?
I don't know. Let's find out. I don't know if artichoke is the best one to test this with, but
Alan likes my fondue.
oh my god, that's so good.
Yeah, we got an assortment of mixed vegetables, sausage, I'm not sure what kind, little pickles, Alan already helped himself to them. These are also a type of pickled onion, a grilled pickled onion, artichoke hearts, and of course bread fresh from the bakery. Delicious. My turn. I don't like fondue as much as Alan does, so. I like it more than the wine fondues. It's just a strong cheese, man. Like, it's good, but I wouldn't like be rushing to eat this again. How was that meal?
Hardcore.
It's a lot of cheese. I feel like it had like 5 bites and I was like, whew, all right.
Well, that's how I feel. It's delicious.
Delicious, but heavy.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to settle in for the night, not do anything else very interesting. Before ending today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up to check online for ticket prices before you buy them at the station. I went into the station because we had a voucher that we needed to use, and I ended up paying almost twice the price for our tickets today, which ended up costing us about $100 extra US dollars. So just check online check the app. It's called the SBB app, and you might save yourself a few bucks. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check in for tomorrow's video. We're going to be exploring Zermatt. I'm really excited for it. It just looks so awesome here. Bye!